If you have a rental property, you need to make sure that you're getting the right kind of insurance policy for it. Just talk to your insurance agent, make sure they know that it's a rental property, not an owner-occupied property, because the insurance policy for rentals is typically a little bit more expensive. But the good news is that if the tenant does very extensive damage that goes beyond the normal scope of what a tenant might do, the insurance policy will pay for you to fix the property all up and get it re-rented out at an even higher price next time. I have seen several people who make the mistake of they take their primary residence and they turn it into a rental, which is, we call that house hacking, and I think that's an amazing idea, but they never change the insurance policy. So the insurance company still has it as owner occupied. Once they find out that it was actually tenant occupied, they're not gonna cover your claim, and that is gonna be devastating and catastrophic. So make sure that if you do that house hacking approach and turn a primary residence into an investment property, that you notify the insurance company and get the appropriate insurance policy on it. Now, another type of insurance that I want to talk about, not exactly insurance, but home warranties. So home warranty is something we often recommend to our clients. If you've got a property, especially in Arizona, if you've got a property with an older air conditioner, highly recommend having a warranty on the property. We use a really fantastic company, Old Republic. We've been referring them for many years, and we've been very happy with them. But if you have a property that you don't want to get hit with a $5,000 air conditioning bill, it might be worth it to pay the $550 every single year to keep that insurance policy going. A lot of the stuff that the warranty covers might not totally be worth it. I mean, like the dishwasher is a good example. If all you got covered on the home warranty is the dishwasher, it might have been cheaper to just buy a new dishwasher. But again, if you've got a home where you think the air conditioner is it's a little older, you know, no pre-existing conditions, the warranty won't cover pre-existing conditions, but it works fine now, but it's older and you might not know how much life it has left on it, I think one of the best things you can do is keep a home warranty on that so that when it goes out, you can get it repaired or replaced for very little out-of-pocket expense of your own.